Right.
Coming on, look, fucking there.
I can't film and...
Put the camera down. Get ready to grab. Put it out of the way.
Do you want me to get the anchor rope on and tie it round?
Nah.
No, I think we'll be right. This way at least you can fend it off if there's a way you can whip up or something.
Whoa.
Right. Hell, I might cancel the advert having done that.
Well, do you want all camera if I start it now?
Right. Just a minute, I'm filming.
I'll leave it off and see you get filming.
Go on, climb in.
Someone's took your pot all apart.
You're kidding?
Think you have.
Huh.
Your boarding ladder's still in there.
Yeah, John.
And a drill bit and
I'm
stuff.
falling over here. That's not going to show much, is it? Okay. Oh yeah, that must be bigger than I thought.
Hmm.
Would you sleep there?
I could, yeah.
Alright, come on.
And the other side's bigger.
Yeah. Take that up front and shelf back up.
Yeah.
You could probably sleep 6 at a push, all inside.
But we could. 2 people could sleep there. Got it?
Yeah. Are you going to try and start it on?
Pull start first.
Right.
Connect the fuel.
Too soon.
Yeah, I'm sure. Might be stiff. Yeah. That's alright.
Key start. Oh, video.
Right.
The key.
Alright, do you want me to video it? Oh, right.
Video of me starting it on the key.
Fork's dropped off your key.
Video, yeah, my out float dropping off.
Done?
Yeah.
You push the lever down and then lift. Then you pump and 2. Should disconnect the fuel rail, shall I? Stop recording?
Yeah, you can. Like a bloody ballerina here. You right?
Yeah, I'm right. Out of there.
I'm pushing you.
My mate's coming up here now. I actually just slow down and stop.
Yeah, God, you can.